Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your Apple ID and credentials so you won't interrupt the flow. Once done, make sure two-factor authentication is enabled. This secures messages and FaceTime. Next, on your iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, then name, phone, email, and confirm the contact points you'll use. Finally, open Settings Messages and choose Send and Receive. Sign in with the same Apple ID. This links your identity across devices and prepares messages to send and receive correctly. Now configure each device so messages uses the same Apple ID consistently. On a Mac, open Messages, go to Preferences, then iMessage, sign in and enable the account. Make sure your phone number and iCloud email are checked under Reachable at. On iPhone, mirror these choices under Send and Receive. Choose your preferred send from address so new conversations show the right identity. If you use an iPad, repeat the sign in there. These steps prevent duplicate threads and keep replies coming from the correct contact. Finish by testing. Send an iMessage to another Apple device and confirm the blue bubble and that the message shows your chosen sender address. If activation fails, toggle iMessage off and on, check Wi-Fi or cellular data, sign out and back into your Apple ID, then restart the device. Make sure your software is up to date and that time and date are set automatically. Incorrect time can block activation. If issues persist, try removing and re-adding the email address in Send and Receive as a targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.